Once we finish our student demographic sections, we're now sent to school selection. And here we must write the name of our high school. So we're going to type in Valley High School. In what city is your high school located? That is Sacramento. And we will pick the state of California. We must press the confirm button. We will now get a list of all schools with the Valley High School title, and we find the one that says Sacramento as far as the city, and we click select. Once our confirm button has turned white, we are able to move to the next section. Here, we have the option to add colleges. I have added the community colleges, and I will show you how to add more schools. On this question, we will leave no, that we do not know the federal school code. We must click A, California for the state to be granted access for Cal Grants. And then we're going to hit search. If we scroll all the way down, we are going to look for California State University, Sacramento. Now we see it is not listed here, so we're going to move on to the next page. And here is Sac State, California State University, Sacramento. We will click that, add the school, and then we hit next. Now for each community college and university, you will state the housing plan. Here, for the community colleges, you will have the option of with parent or off campus. Some do not offer dorms. California State University, you'll be able to pick whether you want on campus, with parent, or off campus. So select that and move on to the next section. You are now in the dependency status.